okay? And I was struggling with whether or not I should even tell you this because I don't like attention. Obviously, I'm in the spotlight. But today is my birthday. I for sure thought this was a surprise party when I came out. Okay? LOL.
If you don't laugh at our jokes, your brain goes kapoof. Now start laughing.
I woke up at 6 a.m. and when I got here, there was someone in my parking spot. Yeah. The first thing I think when I wake up in the morning is, what did I do yesterday? First sight of a white hair in a woman, she turns into that old lady who tries to give you apples on Halloween. But I will say that my vagina has never looked more distinguished.